8 of the most harmful foods for the prostate gland. Greetings and welcome to this YouTube presentation focusing on the foods most detrimental to prostate health. The prostate, a small gland within the male reproductive system, plays a vital role in producing seminal fluid, essential for sperm nourishment and transportation. Maintaining prostate well-being is crucial for urinary and reproductive health. Consumption of specific foods can potentially harm the prostate, heightening the risk of urinary complications or even prostate cancer. Throughout this video, we'll delve into these detrimental foods and their impact on your well-being. Without further delay, let's delve into the discussion. Alongside the natural aging process of the prostate, adopting a healthy lifestyle can mitigate inflammation, enhance urinary function, and reduce the likelihood of developing prostatic hyperplasia, prostatitis, or prostate cancer. To safeguard prostate health, it's advisable to limit or avoid certain dietary choices. Here is the list of the most harmful foods and try to minimize their consumption. 1. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption negatively impacts prostate health, exacerbating symptoms associated with lower urinary tract issues such as diminished urinary flow, incomplete bladder emptying, or challenges in initiating urination, as evidenced by multiple studies. Alcohol's diuretic properties can further exacerbate prostate problems. 2. Spicy foods. Patients with urinary issues, particularly those concerning their prostate, are advised to avoid spicy foods. While spicy foods may not directly affect the prostate, they have the potential to irritate the bladder, potentially exacerbating urinary problems like urgency and incontinence. Conversely, research has associated certain components found in spicy dishes, such as capsaicin, with beneficial effects in preventing cancer and other illnesses, including coronary and respiratory diseases. 3. Saturated fats. In general, saturated fats are detrimental to overall health and specifically do not support prostate health due to their high inflammatory potential and their capacity to produce potent inflammatory cytokines. Various studies have provided evidence suggesting that diets rich in saturated fats can exacerbate prostate cancer. 4. Salt. Using too much salt when preparing meals can put you at a greater risk of having prostate-related issues. Salt bad for prostate such as difficulty in urinating or not being able to empty your bladder completely. It has also been found that symptoms like having to urinate frequently and waking up during the night to use the bathroom can worsen. To avoid these issues, try to use spices to give your dishes flavor instead of salt. These spices have a variety of benefits, such as being anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, relaxing, antitussive, and aiding in digestion. 5. Cheese and butter. As per a review of research conducted by the Mayo Clinic and published in the Journal of the American Osteopathic Association, cheese and butter are deemed detrimental to prostate health due to their high sodium and saturated fat content. Consequently, they are not recommended for individuals aiming to maintain a healthy prostate. Notably, in Western nations where dairy serves as the primary source of calcium, prostate cancer rates tend to be higher. Conversely, Asian countries with a more vegetable-centric diet exhibit lower rates of prostate cancer, as their calcium intake is primarily derived from green sources. 6. Red meat and sausages. Consuming excessive amounts of red and processed meats, such as sausages, has been associated with an increased risk of developing prostate cancer. Additionally, cooking red meat at high temperatures can lead to the formation of acrylamide, a carcinogenic substance. On the other hand, chicken consumption does not seem to yield the same adverse effects, while fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, can even offer potential health benefits. 7. Processed foods. Research studies like Proteus, conducted in Canada from 2005 to 2012, have revealed a correlation between the consumption of processed foods and an elevated risk of various cancers, including prostate cancer. Findings from the study demonstrate that increased consumption of processed foods is associated with a greater likelihood of developing prostate cancer. Processed foods encompass items such as pre-packaged meals, commercially produced beverages, hot dogs, pastries, cookies, breakfast cereals, and fast food. 8. Industrial sauces. Steering clear of store-bought salad dressings and sauces is advisable, as they frequently contain elevated levels of saturated fat and sodium, both of which are associated with prostate issues. Having identified the foods most detrimental to prostate health, it's crucial to maintain a balanced, nutritious diet. Opting for a diet low in saturated fat, cholesterol, nitrates, trans fats, and sugar can aid in lowering the risk of prostate diseases and cancer. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.